With the Xerox Adaptive CMYK Plus kit, you can swap out standard CMYK toners for high-value specialty toners in minutes. With 11 available toner colors, you can create a million possibilities. When combining CMYK and Vivid, or fluorescent and Vivid, the entire design can be kept in a single print file. Beyond CMYK printing is just a few simple steps away. Before you print, be sure you know which 2 toner sets are required, and review the order in which you'll print them. Pre-flighting your jobs is critical, especially when they involve 2 toner sets. Make sure all specialty spot colors used in the job are set up and named properly. Now it's time for your first print pass. Load the correct media for your job. Then, at the fiery print server, adjust the settings for the first pass. Before you begin printing any 2-pass job, open the Color tab and make sure Composite Overprint is checked. For this job, we want to lay down CMYK first, so under Server, Toner Sets, choose the Standard Toner Set. Then configure your paper source, stock size, and weight. Under Finishing, choose your desired output delivery option. Here, we're going to print 4 up. Process, then preview your job. If everything looks good, right-click and choose Print. With jobs that use 2 toner sets, it's always a good idea to run a test print for each pass to check for any issues. Remember, in the first pass, you're only going to see the elements that use the CMYK toner set. All 2 toner set jobs require a manual second pass. Before you can do that, though, you'll have to swap your toners. Follow the full process to switch over from CMYK to the Vivid kit. Now, once you've adjusted the NVM values and rebooted the device, it's time to finish our 2-pass job. Reload the tray with the prints from the first pass. Make sure the correct side is up and the lead edge is oriented as it should be. This time, select the Vivid toner set. Change the Workflow preset to Vivid Kit. On the Color tab, verify that Composite Overprint is still checked. All other settings stay the same. For the Vivid pass, you will also need to right-click the job and choose Remove Raster. Before you can process, preview, and run your second pass. Higher value embellished jobs produced quickly and easily with the Xerox Adaptive CMYK Plus kit. Need even more information on print jobs that use 2 toner sets? Check out the graphic design and file preparation guidelines for your press. Or visit xerox.com/creative and keep pushing print forward with Beyond CMYK.